This is a brand new engine, so it's
ZDZ 180?
ZDZ 180. 3D, 3W Prime.
Smells good already, Randy.
All it is grease right now.
Jeffrey Sieber Jr. with the Hanger 9. Jason with the Cardin. Jason's mom.
Oh yeah, hello.
Joan Alasko setting up speakers. The beautiful one and only Bean Alasko. Chief bottle washer. What do you have to say, B?
Nothing. Good morning, everybody. It's P1 Hobbies here in LA.
So smart. That's a good woman right there.
Brought the cue cards.
Greg Stone. Beautiful plane. How was that?
Excellent.
How you like this weather, Jason?
Really, it's nice. Great flying weather.
What are you flying? Who are your sponsors?
High-Tech RCD, Thunder Power RC, and Hacker Motor USA.
And your mom, right?
And of course my parents.
Okay, Cam, who are your sponsors?
DA, High-Tech, Thunder Power RC. Oh no, I give
Your mom?
Falcon propellers, Smart Flight, and American Express.
We feed our pilots at this event. What's your name?
Horel,
Who are your sponsors?
Aerobees, High-Tech, and DLA Engines.
Did I tell you have a yellow ribbon yet? A green ribbon?
No, not yet.
You have the center runway.
Thank you, sir.
Nice flight. How do you like our field?
Very fun. Different from my field.